Hey guys, welcome to the HVAC Diaries. Today I am doing a solo day, so I thought I would take you with me, and I'm going to call this video A Day in the Life of HVAC Jess. This is not a typical day for me because usually I work with my dad and my brother, we're always together, but today I'm going to go take care of a couple of HVAC maintenance services, filter changes, very basic stuff, so I'm going to go and do that. And I'm going to take you along with me. But my day doesn't start at 7:30, it starts a little earlier. I'll start. All right, now that we're ready, let's go. So I just checked in with my dad, and he's just sent me on a service call before I go and do my 2 maintenance services. So I've just arrived. Let's go and see. Oh, so the complaint is they've got a rooftop unit that is not working right now, and yesterday they smelt a burning smell. So I think that I'm gonna find a dead blower motor up there on the roof. But let's go find out. So there's 4 units on this roof. There's that one and this guy here. They serve the upstairs. And then there's those 2 old ones over there. So let's go. It's gonna be one of these 2. This one I can feel the fan running. This one, no fan running. Okay, after some investigation, figured out very, very basic, obvious problem. Combustion blower motor. If you can see in there. That's not moving, that's really stiff. And there you go, that's my problem. So, got a new one of those coming. I'm gonna clean this shit up and get out of here. Also, while I'm here, I'm just gonna check the filters on all of these units just to make sure that they are in good shape. And if they're not, when I come and change the combustion blower motor, I will replace the filters at the same time. Pretty dirty. We'll get new filters. Okay, we're all done. Let's go back down. That's that job. Now I'm just gonna go over to the supplier, grab my filters, see if they've got that venter motor that I need, the combustion blower motor. And then I gotta drive all the way to the other side of the city to a place called Richmond, where I'm gonna do my 2 maintenances. Let's go. Yeah, awesome. Charles, thank you. And thanks for these.
No problem. Have a good day.
Cool. Okay, we're making a quick stop at the supplier to drop off a couple of these shirts.
Can I put it like this?
No. Okay, here. Let me see. Oh, we can't see. Do you love it?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
So it does a 360 route. So I can see you right now. I can see you. I can see everybody right now.
Oh wow. Okay.
The only thing I can't see is this stick right here.
Right.
Which is
right.
Everything else I can see.
That's pretty cool.
That is neat.
Isn't that the craziest thing? Chocolate coffee. And go. Well, that was a fairly uneventful drive over here, so that was good. This place that I'm at right now, they do high-end kitchen appliances, and they've got 3 top units here, 3 carriers that I take care of. So let's go. All right, we're up. Let's go. I fixed the squeaky V-belt over here. Cooling looks good. I'm gonna take this jumper off now. And we are done on this unit. All right, so now I'm gonna do the exact same thing to these 2. Alright, cool. That's all done. When I walked in there, like right in reception, my spidey senses were like, there's a V-belt doing something. And sure enough, you guys saw that V-belt. So I replaced it and it sounds much quieter in there, so that's so good. I love that. Alrighty, off to the next one after I've caught my breath. Actually, I'm gonna take a little drink. Forgot my lunch today, so that sucks. Alright, well I just arrived to my final job site of the day. This place makes kitchen and bathroom countertops. And they just have one rude commercial unit on the roof up there, so let's go. Hey guys, it's almost the end of my day. I just had a coffee with somebody, a fellow woman in the HVAC trades. She does heat load calculations, which is pretty cool. I didn't take my camera in there with me because I thought it was kind of rude. So also I was like really low on battery, so I left it charging in the truck while I was having coffee with her. But I did take a selfie. Now I'm just gonna go and drop off my old filters that I took out of those units today. I'm just gonna dump them and then I'm going home. Alright guys, well that is my day. I just got back home. Thank you for joining me on my adventures today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!